National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hancock County, southeastern Henderson County, Warren County, McDonough County, southeast County until 9:15 p.m. At 8:36 p.m., severe storms were located along a line extending from Blandonsville to near Weinberg King State Park, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. A train spotter reported 81 miles an hour wind gust 4 miles northeast of Blandonsville 8:31 p.m. These are destructive storms for McDonough and Warren counties. Expected hazards include 80 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Walnut Grove, Gerlaw, Western Illinois University, Scioto, Macomb Municipal Airport, Good Hope, Tennessee, Roseville, Larkland, Monmouth Municipal Airport, Cameron, Fandon, Little Swan Lake, Bushnell, Industry, Warren County Fairgrounds, New Philadelphia, Youngstown, Prairie City Airport, and Prairie City. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Take cover now.